Oh, hey there, Joseph Rubelli here. Welcome or welcome back. Quick question for you. Have you tried the new Instagram feature, Instagram Guide? In today's video, I walk you through what Instagram guides are, how do they work, and how you can use them within your business. Excited? Curious? Keep on watching. My name is Joseph Rubelli. I help you to turn followers into clients using video, and today I walk you through an Instagram guide strategy and how to use this new Instagram feature. Let's get to it. Here we go, new year, new Instagram feature, but what are Instagram guides exactly? Instagram guides is a new Instagram feature that allows you to consume and share longer form content. So if you're someone out there that loves blogging or you are into a longer form of content within your brand and business, that's the right feature for you. Instagram is becoming more and more the first place where user and potential buyer go to check out products and services, which is why they decided to create something that would allow any product-based business or any service-based business, as well as creators, to consume and share longer form content that will give a better experience to their followers. The way I like to describe Instagram guides is essentially a little magazine within your page. Very, very useful if you are looking to give tips, tricks, and more value to your audience. First of all, where can you find guides? Once you click on the plus on your right-hand side on the Instagram app, you're gonna find Reels, IGTV, Story, Feed, and Guides. Once you click on guide, you're gonna get three different options: places, products, and post. Let's find out how do they work. The first option is places. Places is a great option if you are a content creator, perhaps a travel blogger, and you want to share more about the places that you visited. And this is also a great way to link all your posts related to that place. That's a great way to really integrate a little blog and a little storytelling within the places that you visited, rather than just have the option of the caption. This will give your audience and your followers a more defined roadmap of what your trips was about and what were your biggest takeaway as well. If you instead are a product-based business or a service-based business, you can use this feature to link all the locations of your business. Let's say you have a business with multiple locations, or you have multiple branches or multiple offices or multiple stores. You can actually use this as a way to guide your audience to see where they can find your products and your services. The second option is products. If you are a product-based business, this is of course your option. You can link all the products that you already talk about in your feed within that guide, or if you have an Instagram shop, you can link all the products and tag them within the guide and give more information about it. Let's say instead you are working with some ambassadors, influencers, or you have some people that are close to your brand that you would like to mention. The product guides is the perfect one for you, in line to really link all the content together and give your audience a perfect roadmap to check it out. If you are an influencer and you are collaborating with specific brands, and let's say you've done more than one post for them, this is your opportunity to tell your audience more about that collaboration and why did you decide to work with them. Also, you can use that as a way to give your audience a specific guide about a topic. For instance, if you're working within the beauty industry or the skincare industry, you can actually share a guide of the month or products of the month. And that's a very good way to keep the audience engaged and give more value to your followers with a longer form content. Number 3 is my favorite, and it is posts. Now, when you are on Instagram and you share lots of different content, your followers can get lost and they might miss something really important, which is why this particular feature allows you to link all the posts within the same topic or your favorite posts, whatever you prefer, within the same guide, and give your followers a little bit more information and why those particular posts are linked together. This is a great way to get your audience to know your brand better. You can talk about your values as a brand, you can talk about your services, and for coaches and service-based businesses, you can actually create some posts about your services, and then you can actually use guides together to link them all together, so that if I go to your page, I don't need to go to your website anymore, because within the service guide, I can see everything that you do, and I can also understand how I can get in touch with you if I want to work with you. You can also use the text box to give more information about the service that you do. If there's something that you cannot explain on the caption, you can actually use that within the guide. And after you've done all of it, you can actually share all of it on stories. Yes, indeed, all the guides can be shared on stories, and that's the best way to get your audience to consume multiple content within one post. Now, enough talking, fun on my hands. I'm gonna walk you through how I create my first Instagram guide. Let's get to it. So I am on Instagram right now. I'm gonna share my screen with you so you can see exactly what I do. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a guide with you. So I go into the little plus on the right hand side, I click guide. Of course, I don't have any products on my page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a post guide. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I have a series on Instagram Reels called How to Look Confident on Camera. And there are different parts of it, so every week I share a new video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link all the episodes together, so that if you come into my page for the first time, you know exactly where to find and what the guide is about. So there we go, let's link them all together. These are 9 parts of it. One of them is red because it was Christmas time when I did it. And there we go. So we have all the link together, and we go next. The guide will have a title, so we're gonna call it Camera Confidence. There we go. What you can do, you can actually tap a little bit more about it. You can say, every single post on the guide will have to have a title. So what we're going to do, we're going to say something like start here, so people know that they can start from here. And then you can actually type more about here if you want to give them more insight. There we go. So my first Instagram guide is ready. I'm gonna click share. And as you can see, a new tab will appear on my screen, and it is guide, and you can find the list here. Once you click on here, you can actually just click on the top right hand side and you can share it within your story. Once you do that, the guide will be on your story, and as soon as somebody clicks on there, they will check out all your content in one go. Here we go. Are you ready to create your very first Instagram guide? I really hope you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful. Make sure you let me know any question you might have on the comments below. If you would like to support me, you can subscribe, you can like the video, and if you think this could be helpful to somebody else, make sure you share it and tag me on Instagram, where you can follow me as well if you haven't just yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you same time, same place on the next video.